What's up, my people? It's Stella 254 again with another episode of Let's Travel, Let's Adventure. Guys, guess where I am today? Kasarani Sports Center. You know so well that Kenya has been under pressure of hosting the Afcon that is supposed to be taking place in August. Actually, it was supposed to take place in February, but because of the poor infrastructure, we had to postpone it. The Afcon had to postpone it to August. We are also expecting to host the 2027 Afcon. I don't know if they are up to the task, but let's see. Kenya has been trying to renovate these stadiums. Let's see what they have been doing here. I know they have been doing a great job, but let me get here in your comment section down below and see. Let's work together. Kenya has never had the opportunity to host the Afcon since its inception in 1957. In 1996, Kenya lost the right to host the African Cup of Nations and the African Championship, popularly known as the CHAN, in 2018. This was because its stadiums had not met the international standards. Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania teamed up to host the 2027 Afcon for the first time in history. To host Afcon, a country should have a good infrastructure and stadiums, be able to provide accommodation and transport, and have a good security and safety. Kasarani Stadium, Talanta Stadium, among others, have been under construction to beat the deadline. Let's have a look on the great improvements at Kasarani Stadium.
Sometimes when the weeds are high, I sit out and watch the sky. Look around for a tiny seed, hold it up for the world to see. Everyone thinks I got power, they don't see me in the witching hour. Kick the sheets like I'm on defense, moon's too low and the money's all spent. If you want someone that's got a boat lost out at sea, dizzy spells and silver shells in a tiny broken dream, that's me.
Okay. So guys, this is Kasarani Sports Center. It has been under construction for a very long period of time. The government has been under pressure to renovate it because, as you know, Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, the East African countries, are supposed to be hosting the two major Afcons. The one that is the CHAN that is supposed to take place. They're supposed to take place in 2028, and the one that's supposed to take place in
places I haven't been, I won't let it get under my skin. If you want someone that's got a boat lost out at sea, dizzy spells and silver shells in a tiny broken dream, that's me. Ooh.
kata uwezi.